Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by restarting your iPhone XR once per day to clear temporary memory. Check settings and install the latest iOS 17 update for performance and security. After updating, open Settings and tap General, then Background App Refresh to disable it for most apps. Next, close unused apps by swiping them up from the app switcher to free RAM. Finally, reboot the phone again after major updates to ensure all processes restart cleanly. Check Settings, then General and iPhone storage to view used gigabytes and large apps. Aim to free at least 5 GB of storage by deleting videos, photos, and unused apps. Enable Offload unused apps to remove apps but keep their data and documents. Clear Safari cache and remove large message attachments to reclaim space quickly. Uninstall heavy social or streaming apps you rarely use to reduce background activity and start upload. If performance still lags, open Accessibility and enable Reduce Motion to lower animation overhead. Check battery health and consider replacing the battery if maximum capacity drops below 80%. Reset all settings to restore defaults without erasing data when obscure settings cause slowdowns. As a last resort, back up to iCloud and perform and erase all content and settings to start fresh. After reset, restore selectively to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.